Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue if you're facing this. Okay, for example, if you're trying to install macOS on your Windows PC using this VirtualBox, and there will be a part you need to provide the script. I mean, you need to run the script on this installed folder of VirtualBox. So basically, you would have seen this. Okay, you would have copied from the sources. I'm using AMD PC, so I have just copied it. So if you're getting this error, right, then could not find a registered machine named. So this is actually we are getting failed. Okay, so I'm going to verify on my VM name, okay, which I have created. So its name is Mac OS. Okay, so MAC is small and OS is capital. So here it says the M is because it's a case sensitive. So M is caps in this case, AC OS is capital. So that's why I'm getting the error. Okay, so we need to provide the right name, or you can run this code actually to get the exact one. Go to this VirtualBox folder and VirtualBox Manager.exe list VMS. Okay, so the VM names will be listed here. So if you listed, this is the right name. So I need to provide Mac OS. So I'm just copying it. Okay, I'm just copying it and I'm going to find it. And I'm going to replace it. This is the exact one. So replace all. Okay, now it's replaced. Now copy this. You can copy line by line also, copy and paste it. And now here I'm going to paste it. So guys, it's perfectly working now, guys. So super cool, right? So this is the way you can fix the issue. Now you can run your Mac OS. That's it. Definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide your comments and feedback to media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.